Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In here we will explain about our title is Teaching Reading Theoretical. Teaching reading. Reading is one language skill that should be mastered will be all of English learner who want to learn English. Has purpose to write the ideas and organize it into a briefly paragraph. Besides that, the students are expected to understand body language, features, kinetic structure of text. The students should know about some components of reading, such as topic, grammar, mechanic, and vocabulary. In reading, the student can explore their ideas in written form. Through reading, students can share ideas and information. Methods of teaching reading. The procedures to teaching reading are pre-teaching, while teaching, and off teaching. The writer found two techniques applied in teaching learning process, namely group reading and individually reading. Limited time of vocabulary and freedom are the problem feature. One method for teaching reading is reading demonstrative. There are 6 methods: brainstorming, free reading, journalistic question, cluster mapping, flowcharting, double tripling, and 3. Brainstorming is activity which most people are familiar. The object in brainstorming is to compile as large a list as possible of potential examples for a given topic. Free reading. Free reading is an individual activity for getting thoughts from your head paper. Explain the concept of stream consciousness to the student and tell that free writing is simply putting a paper every thought that is going through their heads. Journalistic question. Approach a topic in more structured manner. Start by reviewing the question word: who, what, how, why, when, where. Then, for your given topic, ask a question starting with is this word. 4. Cluster mapping. Also called ID mapping is a great way to show relationship between IDs. Cluster mapping is also part ID generation and part organization. 5. Flowcharting is similar to cluster mapping that is show relationship between IDs. Flowcharting is most effective when examining cause and effect relationship. 6. Double or triple entry is another focused brainstorming activity. This is especially useful when comparing and constructive two or three topics when exploring two or the areas of one topic. Theorerical of teaching wording. Wording is complex and more research understand to the cognitive process and judgment for writing. The more complex the relationship between cognition and producing writing appear. There are 4 theories. First, the cognitive process theory. Second, the socio-cultural theory. Third, social cognitive theory. Fourth, ecological theory. The cognitive theory is cognition is a term referring to mental process involved in gaining knowledge and comprehension. 2. The socio-cultural theory is an emerging theory in psychology that looks at important contributors the society makes individual development. Social cognitive theory describes the influence of individual experience, the action of their and environment factor individual health behaviors. Is a global nevertheless is ecological theory is a global perspective of meta-theory because the bird heading represents several scientific approaches that view human behavior as the result of relationship between individuals and their environment. The benefits teaching wording. Writing causes students often talk topic and defend a position through this process. Students gain an understanding of logical thinking and the best to present their fact and opinion. 1. First, writing effectively helps us grow. Second, writing helps us empathize. Third, writing helps spread voice. Okay, that's all for my explanation. If you want ask about the title, just ask to us and the less I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.